Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin itong spinning reel from Kasking. Naging interesado ako sa spinning reel na to kasi yung kanilang smaller sizes is targeted for finesse fishing. And this reel, ang ganda pa dito, affordable lang siya. So itong reel na to is the Kasking Royal Megatron. And tingnan nyo naman, napaka-compact ng reel na to. Bagay na bagay sa mga ultralight and light game fishing rods. So itong hawak-hawak ko is the 1,000 size. Pero available rin siya sa 2,000, 2,500 and the 3,000 size. So this reel, with its very compact body, ang kanyang weight, 172 grams lang for the 1,000 size. Ang drag capacity niya, just like yung mga Japanese reels, mababa, 3 kilograms lang. And alam naman natin, importante, pag nag-ultralight and light game fishing tayo, ang gamit-gamit natin is yung mga maninipis and low poundage lines na napaka-fragile. And pag mababa yung drag capacity ng reel natin, we can have more control of our drag pag nakikipaglaban tayo sa mga good size na isda. Yung kanyang gear ratio, 5.2 to 1. So for this specific reel, every full turn of the handle, you retrieve about 52 cm of line. And I think that is suitable for finesse fishing kasi sa type of fishing technique na ito, as much as possible, we want to fish those waters thoroughly. Yung kanyang bearings naman, yes, 5+1 na Maxidor shielded bearings. So overall, in terms of the aesthetics, yung kanyang itsura, gustong-gusto ko yung glossy black niya na color scheme with the silver accents. So may silver trim siya. So this reel for the price, by the way, naka-screw-in handle na siya. And sa ganung pricing with a screw-in handle reel, I could really tell na this is a best value reel, especially sa mga finesse anglers natin dyan. And the most important feature na nagustuhan ko sa reel na to is yung shallow spool niya. Kung titingnan nyo, napaka-shallow ng kanyang spool. So alam na alam ni Kasking na we are loading the spool of this reel with very thin diameter, low poundage lines. And ang gusto ko pa yung kanyang lip design sa kanyang spool, maganda yung kanyang angle. So when we are casting, as much as possible, we want the line to leave smoothly out of the spool para mag-improve yung ating casting distance and overall our casting performance. And aside from those favorite features na nabanggit ko, tingnan nyo, wala siyang anti-reverse switch. So doon pa lang, that is already a less entry point for salt water. So kung interesado kayo sa tunog ng drag, patunogin natin. Okay, yung kanyang tunog. So kung gusto nyo, if you want to check this reel out, maglalagay ako ng mga link sa e-commerce site kung saan nyo to pwedeng mabili. But personally, if naghahanap kayo ng reel para sa inyong ultralight and light game fishing setup, marerecommend ko itong Kasking Royal Megatron.